It's what I call the ghetto goose call.
All right, ladies and gents, after a rough day on the river, we're gonna switch it up and get on the field today. We followed along on the stories, campus waterfowl. You saw that Jared and I had a pretty productive night scouting. So it's gonna be kind of a traffic hunt like we talked about yesterday. We got a little bit of pressure from guys hunting a pond on the field neighboring that was gonna be looking like their feed. But these birds will jump off the pond. They usually cut north and then fly right west, so we should be right in them. I'm confident for the hunt, running 26 dozen a day. So got a pretty good sized spread to pull these birds. Hopefully get them off the flight path and right in. We're hunting the south wind on this hillside here. So hopefully side shoot them as they're coming in. They're right to the right. Dang. I thought that was money ball.
You want to show everyone your goose call?
Alright guys, this is my goose call that I made. They want to pay for one, so took a zinc reed, took a 1/2 inch bit, bored out a 3/4 inch piece, then mashed it up with 3 other PVC pieces and turned it into a 1/2 inch, and it's a goose call. So it's what I call the ghetto goose call. Sounds pretty decent.
Flying low across the trees.
That's a big flock, yeah.
Where at?
Coming right over top.
Got that. Where they at? They're setting up to land.
Here they come.
Take them, guys. Left side. Something do it.
We got 3 more coming in from the right.
Okay. Land behind us. Take them over top. Holy shit. Oh, they're right there. Take these 3. Take them. Take them. Hey, watch these 4. They're coming back around.
I'll knock them with that flag again, Grams, or what? I think that's the only thing they're responding to.
Already. To the left. Coming in. They're right above you, Jared. Take them, dude. Hold on, they're coming in front. Let's take them.
Left side or right side?
12 o'clock left. Take these first. That one's going down. That one's sliding.
Look at that one. Oh, he got up. Hey, big flock on the left. Yeah.
Yep. Get the flag. Get the flag.
That flag back there.
Flag and start calling.
I gotta get some shells in my bag. Here, you need some? I got some. Shit.
These ones on our right are here.
And try and land in the wind again, maybe. Let's try. We're letting this big group work. I don't know. These guys are gonna coax them in. I say we try and let them work. Ooh. I don't know what these other ones working.
Okay, let them work. You got 5 coming behind you to the left, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Now they're 11 o'clock. 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock.
What are those birds on the right doing? They're coming at us again. Are we gonna go quiet or? Yeah, let's try to go quiet.
I don't know if Ryan can hear you. You gotta pass it down the line.
Quiet, Ryan. What? I'll try to go quiet.
Let's kill this spot quick and then. Okay. Do it.
No. These guys don't want to land yet. Trying to find a good place to do it.
I don't know how. Watch them on the left there. We got this 7 out front.
I got no birds to the right, so.
Yeah. What'd those birds to the left do? Oh yeah.
They're pulling them away.
Alright, you try to call it now.
Yep. Yeah, they like the ball.
They're hooking.
Those 4 are gonna probably get there.
The 7 are hooking hard. Those 4 just landed.
Yeah, I see that.
Where the other ones are going.
So we're having birds, they're coming around swinging. I don't think our keel hole's big enough for them to figure out how to land in it. With this wind, we got about a 10-mile-an-hour south wind, so they're trying to figure it out and they just can't. So we're gonna make this keel hole a little bit bigger, move these family groups up here higher, move these dive bombs out a little bit more, and hopefully it gives them a little bigger landing spot for us. You DJ Thursday nights, don't you?
DJ Thursday night? Yep. DJ.
Thursday.
Here, I'll go back to sleep.
You know the story we did yesterday where you're like,
All right, guys, so we're packing up, gonna go get something to eat, maybe get a nap in, but we'll be back out for the evening. Saw quite a few birds. Just we're kind of going north and we needed them to go west. So going off of what we saw last night, hopefully they do the same thing and come our way. Hopefully we're in them. They did fly pretty early yesterday, so shooting light ends at sunset, so hopefully we can get some shooting in before that. So we ended with 4 this morning. Got 11 more to go, so see you this afternoon.
What do you guys think?
We were in them, but we weren't. We just saw a lot of birds that were not getting off the pond, so if they're gonna do anything like they did the past few evenings, it'll be quite the sight to see. We got a lot of birds on this lake. I think over 2,000 at least, so optimistic for tonight.
Really only had 7 come in for a shooting range, so dropped 4 of them. It's not terrible, but want some more birds this afternoon.
You want one?
You got it.
There we go. One got hurt a little bit. A little bit, huh? Ooh, the wing. No. What happens when you shoot camp?
We just remembered that we are home of the world's largest M here, and figured we'd show Derek what it's really all about. And look at that.
An M.
An M.
What's the history behind the M?
So M stands for mining. In Platteville, there used to be a rich mining history here, and Platteville actually used to be a mining school back in the day. So I don't even know when they actually made this M, but just I guess one day they decided to just put a really big M on the side of the hill. Oh, there you go. In 1937, by students of the Wisconsin Mining School. Look at that.
241 feet high, 214 feet wide.
And that's why you're called the Pioneers?
One would say.
There we go. An M, everybody.
Alright guys, just got back from the hunt. Had a lot of people asking about my little get a goose call. So figure break it down and show you what it's made of. It's just 4-piece PVC that thread onto each other, barcodes and everything. It's 1/2 inch for these if you want it. Go to Menards. I'm not sure I'll be able to get the other piece, but this is the mouthpiece. Shows it 'cause it has a smooth edge versus this has the ripples. The tightness is what gets the deepness. Hope I can get it.
Yeah, when's the last time you took it apart?
It's never come apart.
Really?
Yep. So this is a tiny little thing. I don't even know what it's called. Well, I believe it's coupling. And I bored it out the inside with a wood bit and just kept drilling it and drilling it. And it's got the zinc reed. And then it's got the little coupling there that it came with. So all you do is just thread it in and make it super tight. And then the longer the tube, the deeper the sound. So for, oh, wrong way. Oh gosh. Yeah, it ain't coming out. Oh. So to get it deep, you want it to have a longer tube that you're blowing out. So you could do a softer calling, requires very little blowing at all. And then with such a large diameter, you could force a lot of air into the call right away. I did do it right the first time. Son of a gun. There you go. I'll switch these around, but I'm gonna make this tube the longer one just to see how it sounds, and then this shorter just to grab and just crank it as tight as you can get it, and And for 37 cents, or if you buy the reed, $5.37, you can make yourself duck call too. Infomercial for Menards. Yeah, just cheap, basic, and when you don't want to spend money, you figure things out. So there you go.
Oh, sorry. 18.5. Yep. 5 on the dot.
142.5.
Sweet.
Big enough.
Oh, yeah.
Very top one? Yeah. Basically to the left of that last tree, that grass patch. Alright guys, we just got to the field. We got about 2 hours till shooting time ends. Going straight over to that top grass patch. Wind's coming straight over the top of the hill. It's a better setup, better visibility for the geese coming off the lake. We're just gonna make a big U or a V depending on how we feel it sets up over there. So I don't know, we'll set up most of the decoys 3/4 way up and then a few up on top just to get a better view for the geese, and should be pretty good.
Jared's blind had some.
Oh, they're on the 18. What do you know? We're gonna lose.
All right, cool.
Coming right at us.
You got some coming? Got.
1 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. They're fighting the wind a bit.
They're not even moving.
No, they're just.
Just fluttering.
Oh, here we go. Yeah, right in front of us.
Those ones are locking up
Which ones?
right in front of us at 11 o'clock.
Well, we tried. We had a lot of high hopes, and just that's the problem with hunting these birds on this pond. It's just the nature of the beast, and that's hunting. It's real. It's unscripted, uncut. It's just the day in the life of an outdoorsman. Wish we could get more birds on camera for you guys, but I hope you still enjoyed anyways. I still hope you enjoyed the camaraderie, the scenery, and just campus waterfowl, collegiate waterfowl tour.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's going to do it here at the University of Wisconsin-Platteville. I know that I told you guys when I was in Colorado that I was going to Texas A&M, but had to reschedule that one, so that's where we're actually going next. This weekend, Thursday, I'm going to head to Texas A&M, and we're going to be attending their DU banquet down there. So that's going to be a lot of fun on Thursday. Friday, I'm not sure if we're hunting quite yet on Friday right away, but regardless, when this video goes out, the next few videos after that, we're going to be at Texas A&M, so stay tuned for those. Really appreciate you guys watching these videos throughout the hunting season. If you guys enjoy them, be sure to like them and subscribe to the channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. But that's gonna do it here at in southwest Wisconsin, hunting with students from the University of Wisconsin-Platteville. Also, one thing I want to mention: don't forget to follow these guys on Instagram. They have a couple Instagram pages called Dorm Room Outdoors, similar to Campus Waterfowl, but they do all things hunting in the outdoors around the college lifestyle, and then also God's Country Outdoors. We have Hunter here with us, and he shares a lot of awesome hunts from around this area as well. So give those two guys a follow, and also check out their YouTube channels because they also have that as well. But I'll see you guys all in the next one. See ya.